Normally, I don't get the opportunity to meet her for many, many months in a stretch, and we're back to back, so it's good fun. Today on Star Stop with me, Salil, Divya Khosla Kumar. Thank you so much for joining me. How are you?
Hi Sanil, I'm good. How are you?
You're very, very, very busy, I have to say. In the middle of a film, promoting a song, you're like, it's almost like your सारी जो pandemic की कसर थी, सब पूरी कर रही हो आप in the last 1 or 2 months. How have you been?
Sanil, मेरी पिक्चर सत्यमेव जयते 2 तो अप्रैल में शुरू होने वाली थी एंड सडनली दिस ब्लो ऑफ द पैंडेमिक केम ऑन अस लॉकडाउन हो गया 25 मार्च को एंड माय फिल्म गॉट डिलेड बट September onwards, yes, I've been on the sets and I've been shooting and working, and thank you God for it.
How has it been back on a set also? I know that you've been doing music videos, so it's not like you've been away from a set. But is there a little bit of excitement, nervousness, and sometimes what will the public say, what will I say, what will I feel? Because you're a director also, yeah. So how's that feeling been?
That stress at all. I think I just, when I do my work, I do it with completely free mind. My only thing is how to approach my character, how to become that character. That is my only thing. But I don't take stress in my work. I enjoy my work and do it. And rest, everything is in the hands of God and in the hands of the audience. And I'm just happy that people are connecting with me. Even with Yaki, they connected so much with me. Teri Aankhon Mein also has crossed like 130 million views in few weeks, and now Besharam Bevapa is released, and I'm getting a fab response. So I'm just thankful to everyone for loving me and connecting to me as an artist.
Are you good with numbers? I mean, like all these big numbers have started coming in 130 million, 370 million, and all. Would you have believed that, these kind of numbers would have been possible for Indian artists and, Indian celebrities slash actors? I mean, we've been looking at these big numbers all over the world, and now that it has started to come, must make you feel really proud to be associated with these big numbers as well as right now.
Yeah, you feel happy, when your work is appreciated, because as an actor, as an artist, I think you always work for that love and appreciation of the audience. So that is definitely very important. Numbers, I don't see so much कि इतना number हो गया उतना number हो गया, but yes, you do feel happy कि जब आपका काम satisfy होता है, success होता है. At the end of the day, you work for the audience, so when they like it, then that's so nice. Yeah.
Every actor has to be a little vain sometimes. When you come back in, what is the public thinking of you? You're trying to like better yourself. Because you took some time off, I mean, a long time off actually, and then you went behind the camera and you went into all of that. Is it an easier perspective now? Are you more calm as an actor than you were maybe in your first avatar as an actor?
Yeah, I never took time off the sets. Honestly, I was always on the sets, and I know कि मैंने बहुत जूते घिसे हैं to be where I am right now. But yes, जो आप calmness की बात करो, that's true. When I came into the industry, I knew nothing. I have learned a lot in these years. Even as a director, there was nobody to train me, guide me, or was my bouncing board to tell me this is correct. There was no director. I got a chance to assist. So everything I learned on my own, and I'm very proud of the work that I've done. And Yadno also became like a super success with audience connecting to it. So I think that's the only thing that matters, when audience appreciates your work. But yeah, I was not calm earlier, that's for sure. And now I'm more calm, I'm more secure. When I started, I knew nothing. I came from Delhi and did a lot of struggle in Bombay. कुछ भी नहीं आता था मुझे, but now I feel much more confident and much more at ease when I'm on the set as an actor.
But I also have to say कि इतना time बीत गया, but I feel I'm also looking similar, and you also haven't changed at all. Physically also, and you look the same, and it's really difficult to actually do that, because if you had been acting continuously, I can understand, because there's a certain image you have to maintain this. So this, even in this video, इसमें भी workout चल रहा है. I know you probably added that shot in where, there's a little bit of workout that's going on. I think physically also you've really maintained yourself, and you've kept that, especially in the last year or two, I've noticed a lot more. So I think, that's become a very big focus in your life.
I've been working out since my teenage years. I have always been into working out. In fact, जब मैं direction कर रही थी, मैं तब भी बहुत strong workout करती थी, because मैं set पे जब I was directing, I used to shoot in these mountainous areas where you have to climb and you need a lot of energy, and I used to really work out my legs to maintain my strength and my strong ground, and I'm not fatigued and I have this energy within me. So workout has always been a part of me, and I never diet, like never have any cheat days, or never diet. I always eat properly healthy food and always make sure that I'm properly, like I've eaten and properly I'm working out. And मैं जब नहीं करती तो automatically I'm very चिड़चिड़ा that I keep living अरे यार I didn't work out, I didn't work out. I'll go and tell 10 people yeah I didn't work out. So it's a part of my nature to work out. So I can't like leave it.
Are you happy with the way the you're looking in the latest track again? इसमें भी रो रहे हो आप. I like that. There's like this connection with crying and then metamorphosis that has started to happen a lot in your videos also. You've got two hunks with you also. And good to see Gautam. How did like Radhika and all choose Gautam Gulati? He's a boy who really looks good on camera.
Gautam was there in Big Boss. I saw that entire Big Boss ka series and I actually voted for Gautam.
Yeah.
And I became a fan after that with all the thing he created, Gotham City. I just so loved him and he was such a charmer. And then they casted him in what's funny episode. Actually, I'll tell you, I've not narrated it to anybody. He came for the rehearsals and I didn't know, frankly, who's been casted opposite me. And he came for this rehearsals and Radhika Vinayji were not there. My choreographer was there and he said he is opposite you and Gautam was wearing a mask. So I didn't know he's Gautam. And he made us rehearse few scenes. And मैंने उनके साथ कुछ rehearse किया मुझे मालूम ही नहीं वो गौतम है.
Hi, hello भी नहीं हुआ क्या? You didn't say hi Divya, hi Gautam, ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं?
2-3 hours I didn't know. I was very uncomfortable. मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था और मैं कैसे बोलूं कि in the pandemic remove your mask, at least I can see your face. I can't even see it, and I have to rehearse all those scenes and I was feeling very hot. I was feeling यार ये किसको लिया पता नहीं कौन है कौन सा लड़का है कौन है और मुझे इसके साथ rehearse करना है. Who's he? I don't even know. At the end of 2.5-3 hours my directors came and then they told me कि he's Gautam Gulati. I got so shocked. Like यार पहले बोल देते at least I would have been comfortable because I know Gautam and I have met him so many times, interacted with him, so I'm comfortable with it. और मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था कौन है. Our choreographer actually told us he kisses you, you kiss him. So in our masks we did that to show him how the scene would work out and I was feeling so hard. यार ये क्या हो रहा है? I don't know who this guy is.
Wow. So that's another thing also, which I was going to come to. Pandemic mein there's physical contact in this, yeah. So were you mentally also a little scared? You're saying that it's sometimes easier to say that yaar pandemic nikal chuka hai. It's on its way. It's part of our lives. It's the new normal. But when you're shooting, you've actually done quite a bit in the lockdown.
No, the good thing is that the scare has gone. Even in my office, actually 30 people ko ho chuka and they've all recovered. The good thing is everybody is recovering, So that is a very good thing. What we have to take care is of children and of elderly people, Like for them, bahut mujhe scary feel hota hai, like for my parents and for my kid and all. But I think all of us young people jinko bhi ho raha hai, they're all recovering and now how much will we feel, we have to work. That's very important. So September onwards I have to be on the set. I've been working and I've just been left myself in God's hand. He will take care of my health. I'm doing his work.
We take a little break and come right back. Divya Khosla Kumar, Besharam Bewafa. It released well and is doing already all the numbers as always happens on most of the tracks that T-Series releases. And of course Beep Rock there. We'll come right back, don't worry why. You're back on Star Store with me, Salil, and of course Divya Khosla Kumar. It's almost like she's like super busy right now. Got 2 tracks out, got a film out, and it's just rocking. Thanks again, Divya, for joining me. Got lots of things to ask you. Now, tell me something, whenever a parent is out there doing, like you mentioned your kid as well, are you showing your work also? I mean, have you reached a stage where there's a little bit of understanding, beta, this is me, this is my work. Is that happening as well?
With my family?
Yeah. Just
family is very comfortable with my work and that's so important because your home environment has to be supportive and
do they criticize ever? Do you get criticized ever by family or is everybody only saying "Ware wah beta, very good, bahut badhiya kaam kiya" every time?
No, they don't praise. They're more critical about my work. In fact, even my mother is my biggest critic. She mostly criticizes me. Very rare she'll praise me and I feel so happy. Finally, my mother has praised me.
Besharam Bewafa. Besharam Bewafa has again Radhika and Vinay ji. I mean, they're like, how should I say this? Legends as far as film, music, their vision, their scope is fantastic. You're very comfortable with them as well. I mean, That relationship with them, let's talk about that.
So Radhika and Vinay, like I had told you earlier, also they were, when I was in Delhi and they auditioned me. I had spoken to you last time from among so many girls. They casted me for a Falguni Pathak video, so I know them since so many years. And then beach mein, we were not in touch, and again we got in touch when they approached me for Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi, when they got to know I'm acting again. So they are like my friends, philosophers, and guides, and they just love me to bits, and so do I, and they always present me so beautifully. So I'm grateful to them for life, for coming into my life, and giving me these this so many this Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi and Teri Aankhon Mein, Besharam Bewafa. And I feel Besharam Bewafa is like a masterpiece. They've created like a painting on screen. Each and every frame is so beautiful, and the storytelling and everything, and they are just so talented. I tell them now that please don't waste your creativity in music videos. Please do a film. You are made up for bigger things, and you are so talented. And they just work so hard. They're very hardworking people. That's why we gel, because I'm also like a perfectionist and a hard worker to another level. So that's why they like me, because otherwise they're very strict as directors and as visionaries, and they push you to another level. So अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग है, वो ही उनके साथ टिक पाएगा. Otherwise you have to be like really into it, passionate about it.
Tell me a little bit about the behind the scenes on not just this song, on your shoots. So when you're on shoot, are you like into your books, or you're very much into your phone in between shots? Of course, you switch on for a shot and then you switch off as well.
When I'm in shooting, I give my phone away. I don't want to look at my phone. I'm away from my phone. I'm away from my books. I think the set is my world, my family. I'm into my set. I'm into my set people, the people who are working for me, my staff, my team, everybody who's there. I'm into all of them. I'm into my character. So that's my world, that's my life, and I give my 100% there. Nothing extra can disturb me. Yes, food also sometimes I forget eating, so I've kept a lady who keeps reminding me khana khalo, because that's very important. Otherwise I'll stop eating also, because that's very important for me. So she takes.
On a set like Satyamev Jayate, when you're there, you are forgetting food. I mean, I've heard that John Abraham, and I've known him for a long time, if he doesn't get his food on time, he gets very hangry. The hunger, anger that happens to him, na, usko khana zaruri ho jata hai. And I think
No,
I think John has been so disciplined. He has just been so much into working out, because he had these bare body shots and all, and he was so disciplined, and he was guiding me also in terms of food and all. And never once did I see him irritated or anything on the set. He was so calm, and he's performed so well. I'm so amazed by him, and we are like great friends. And he's so giving as a co-star, and it was so lovely and amazing to work with him.
you've got such different kind of directors. Milap Zaveri on one side and Radhika and Vinay ji on the other side. Imagine oscillating between the two of you all. Yeah.
They're not spoiling Radha.
But it's fun. I think Milap is rather fun to actually hang out with also. Tell me about that also. He's also somebody who's given lots of hits coming back in, and especially Satyamev Jayate also one that's got 100 crores. Yeah.
I have a complaint to make about Milap here. He only takes one take of me. In the whole film, whatever we shot, like in the last 16, 17 days, we had night shoots. I just got back from Lucknow. He only takes my one take, and he says, okay, mind blowing. He keeps saying, I'm like, you pre-designed one take and you don't give me. He's like, no, it's so good, you're so good. So I because Radhika Vinay are more critical, so I would like, मेरे को ना guilt feeling आती है as actor sometimes. अरे यार मैं ठीक भी कर रही हूँ कि नहीं? He only praises my work. So but he is happy. So at the end of the day, if your director is happy, so I'm happy, because it's the director's vision you follow. But he's very easy to work with, and he makes the environment on the set very comfortable, very organized. Their set is so disciplined, so organized. जिस टाइम पे बुलाएंगे उसी टाइम आपका शॉट लेंगे. कभी ना आपको वेट कराते हैं, ना आपको ऐसा जल्दी बुला लेंगे. जिस टाइम पे पैकअप का होता है उसी टाइम पे होता है. So very good unit, and I told everybody is so happy, right from the squad boy to the costumes to the lighting department. Each and every person on that set is so happy, and there's so much of positivity. So it's a great thing for me that I thank God that I'm part of this beautiful unit and this Satyamev Jayate 2 entire team. I'm so happy to be part.
Well, you've got a big number to follow as well. 100 crores to pehle wale mein cross ho gaye the. So now the numbers game, which was just about the views, is going to be out there. It's a new world also out there. Have you got used to the fact that now films are releasing online? They are in theaters, but people are going to go slowly in theaters. you know, as a mental makeup for an actor, have you got used to the fact that I might, yeah?
No, I'm not. Frankly, I feel so many films, well-made films, they are releasing on the OTT platforms. I think it's very sad. I feel so sad because so much of hard work goes, Salin, in a film, and a film is meant for 70 mm. And especially the Indians, we enjoy the music, the dancing, the visuals of it so much. So I think वो पूरा experience spoil हो जाता है. I think I just hope this ends fast and we get back to theaters. And bichara, the theaters are suffering so much. North में, I know so many theaters which will shut down because they don't have money. They are unable to run anymore. So the situation is very sad. So I just hope that this industry opens up soon.
Yeah, we're all waiting for the vaccine, man. सब लोग को ऐसे लगता है जैसे परसों आने वाला है, एक हफ्ते बाद आने वाला है. We're still far away from that, but I'm waiting to see when we'll be out there, be able to hopefully Satyamev Jayate 2. By the time it releases, make sure that it only releases with a packed house in the audience, in the theaters. No OTTs by then, huh? We have to get rid of that. Yeah, but thank you so much, Divya, for joining us. And once again, do you have another one coming out next month? Let me ask you already beforehand. I don't know how many you shot in the lockdown.
No, I haven't shot anything that's coming up. Of course, Yatya Part 2 is long due and everybody has been asking me, but we haven't shot it yet. So nothing as of now which is already shot in there. No.
Perfect. But thank you so much, Divya, for joining us. And I'm going to see you very soon again, of course. May not be for another music video. But from what I hear, what I've been chatting with Milap, congratulations. Satyamev Jayate 2 is also looking fantastic. And it looks like you're also rocking it on set. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Anand. Bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Well, Besharam Bewafai, it is rocking it with the numbers. But I can't wait to see you in Satyamev Jayate 2 also in a packed house with the audiences out there. Divya, thanks for joining me. I will see you soon on Star Stop again. And of course, this interview will be available online. You can go check it out. Bye-bye and take care.